In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Slack. If you've ever sent a message too quickly, shared the wrong file, or just want to tidy up a conversation, deleting a message is a simple way to keep your channels and direct messages clean and accurate. First, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where the message appears. Take a moment to make sure you've identified the exact message you want to remove. This is important because once a message is deleted, it disappears from the conversation for everyone who can view it, and in many workspaces, deletion is permanent. Now, hover over the message you want to delete. That simply means moving your mouse pointer onto the message and pausing there. You don't need to click, just rest your cursor over the message content. This helps you focus on the exact item you're about to act on and avoids any accidental selection of the wrong message. Next, right-click on the message. This opens what's called a context menu, the small menu that appears beside your cursor with options related to that message. If you're on a trackpad, a right-click may be a two-finger click. On some keyboards, you can hold the Control key and click to bring up the same menu. The idea is the same. You're opening the Messages menu so you can choose the action you need. From that menu, select Delete. You may see it labeled as Delete Message. Click that option to proceed. Depending on your workspace settings, Slack may show a quick confirmation prompt. This is just a safeguard to make sure you really intend to remove the message. Review what you're deleting, then continue to complete the action. And there you go. The message will disappear from the thread or channel right away, helping keep the conversation clear and accurate. That's all. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you use this. In most Slack workspaces, you can delete only your own messages. If you don't see the delete option, your organization might have restricted deletions or set time limits, and that's normal. Also, if your message contained important information, consider whether teammates might need a heads up after it's removed, just to avoid confusion in the conversation's flow. To recap the process in one smooth motion, hover over the message you want to delete, right-click to open the context menu, and select Delete. With that, you've learned the fastest way to clean up a message in Slack and keep your workspace organized.